Today I was at a garage sale and I found this big air horn. I paid $10. The guy came running out after I bought it and gave me the cord to it. It's an air horn. So I hooked it up to my compressor. Listen to this bad dude. My neighbors are here with me. Check this out, Joe. You ready? You coming over? Joe's coming over. Pay $10 for it. It's from a motorcycle. Well, it's gonna be.
Where are you gonna get the air?
I just blew in it. You heard it when I blew in it. Come here, Joe.
I'm not gonna be on YouTube.
Get in the YouTube.
Uh-uh.
Well, how can you check it out if you don't walk over here? I won't put you in. I won't put you in. Come here. Check it out. Huh?
You don't have air. Air run out of your tires.
I'm going to take
Oh yeah, air pig.
strap it on the thing behind me.
You only get a few, but it'll be worth it.
That's funny. No. What do you mean I only get a few? It don't take much. Beep it. No. Let some on there. Try it.
Not much volume.
No, just gotta.
I mean, it's a lot of volume.
But it's not a lot of air. It's just a little bit of. Right?
Is that what it's from, semi?
I don't know. If there were two of them, it'd be better.
Yeah, and then you can also go.
You
do some noise.
Yeah, I can't.